Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado bed. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Next, gather all your tools, including an 18mm socket, a T30 Torx bit, and a long extension. Ensure your work area is clear of obstructions, providing plenty of room to maneuver around the truck. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the essential components. Begin by locating the main electrical harnesses, typically near the spare tire, and carefully unplug all connections for your taillights and any other bed-mounted accessories. These often have red or blue clips that need to be pressed. Next, remove the two T30 Torx screws holding the fuel filler neck to the bed, then gently pull the filler neck free, ensuring no lines are still attached. With the electrical and fuel lines disconnected, it's time to tackle the bed mounting bolts. There are typically 8 bolts securing the bed to the truck frame, 4 on each side. You will need an 18mm socket and a long extension to reach them. If you encounter any stubborn or rusted bolts, apply a generous amount of penetrating oil and allow it to soak for several minutes. This step is crucial for a smooth removal. Finally, we're ready to lift the truck bed. Double-check that all electrical connections, fuel filler components, and the 8 bed bolts are completely removed. The bed can weigh between 250 and 350 pounds, so gather at least 3 or 4 strong helpers, or utilize an engine hoist with proper straps. Carefully lift the bed straight back, ensuring it clears the rear tires and the truck's frame, then set it down safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.